Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from Spectre Comics. Today I'm going to show you how to draw in the glow effect. Been doing a ton of shorts on my channel lately, and one of the more popular styles to draw in is the glow effect. We're going to use the characters, the astronauts from Among Us, as our subject for today's drawing, and I'm going to walk through the materials that you need. For the glow effect, I'm actually going to use black paper. So I've got this black canvas pad. This paper is a little thicker, so it can take the Posca markers, but the paper's nice and smooth. And it works really well with the Posca markers. We're also going to use several colors of Posca marker. Now the key to the glow effect is having, number one, a white Posca marker, but then you pick colors that are light and dark of the same color. So we're going to use a light blue and a dark blue. We're going to use a dark red, and also a dark green and a light green. So those will give us a little bit of color variety, but they'll work nicely with the glow effect for this character. So let's jump right in and talk about how to draw in the glow effect. So I picked this character from Among Us to create a quick, simple drawing to demonstrate the effect. The first thing you're going to do is take your white marker. Now again, you're using black paper. The white marker is really going to pop out on the black paper. If you were using white paper, you'd want to put a coating of black ink over the paper around the character before you started. Once you have the white character outline, basically you're going to do is take one of your lighter colors, so if you're taking red in this case, outline both sides of the white line in the red marker. Now after you finish outlining in the light red marker, we're going to outline the red marker on both sides with the dark red marker. So this, you're going to basically be starting white, then the lighter color, then the darker color in each of the colors. This gives a nice pop to the white, and then it also makes the red color glow around the outline. We're going to do the same with the green on the helmet. Starting with the light green on both sides of the white line. And it is okay if you don't have the smoothest lines. We're going to go and clean that up later. We're going to go ahead and take the dark green and go outline on the outside of the light green. We're going to do the same in the blue with the backpack. Light blue on the inside, dark blue on the outside. All three colors, the red, blue, and green, are really starting to glow now. Because this is black paper and the pen can get kind of thin, I'm going to go ahead and reinforce the lines again by doing another coating over each of the colors. The second coating really makes the colors jump off the page. Again, I'm going to reinforce the white line again by retracing the original white line that we started with, just in case some of the colors bled over the white line. Anywhere that I didn't have the smoothest line, I'm going to take my black marker and just touch that up as well. This is before you're finished with your drawing. You can go ahead and touch up anything you need to touch up. This is the final drawing of the Among Us Astronaut in the glow effect. So that's it for this tutorial on how to draw in the glow effect. Hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or let me know how yours turned out. Also, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.